All right, now you may or may not have seen the video where I tried out the 3M Accuspray spray gun with the gel coat and it didn't work. Well, that was unreduced gel coat on a open mold. Well, I went ahead and bought the pressure gun that has this hose and the pressure pot that you basically it hooks up where it has air system, and you put the gel coat in the liner in that system and you hook it up like a regular cup gun, but you have this air line that pressurizes it. And what that does is it collapses that liner in there and pushes the gel coat out. And let me tell you, it uses damn near every bit of your material. Now for gel coat, you do have to take out that filter that's in there, but this was the two 28-ounce cups that I used. Okay, and they collapse down. So this is basically my waste. So I throw that away. 2 stir sticks, 2 cups, and I used pretty much every bit of it. And the tip, I hate cleaning after gel coat, and I end up usually, like I use those Harbor Freight guns, and I still end up, losing them half the time. But anyway, there's the gel coat that's down inside of it, and I really don't want to take the time to clean it. So that goes in my little waste cup too. And then all I did was wipe that tip off and or wipe that needle off, and she's ready to go for the next paint job. But those two 28-ounce things, basically I did this whole 13-foot deck, and I was just goofing around seeing what all I can do with it. Now she's still wet and everything, but I'm going to give it tonight to dry, and then we'll see how well she wet sands out. Anyway, so far I really like this pressure, basically the Accuspray pressure gun. I'll put a link in the description so you can get one. This is the way to go. Very little cleanup material, very little waste. You need to get you one. Thanks for watching.